Hello everyone. It is Wednesday and just got here and got everything settled back and gonna do this briefing and go up here and start on the day. Anyway, here at Never Done Projects and just a silly little YouTube channel, we got 108 days to fun run cruisers tell the Dragon Run, 17 days to fun run cruisers drive in. Metal Art Customs putting both of those on. Fun run cruisers in Sydney, Ohio at the fairgrounds. Today, like I said, today is Wednesday, 5/28/25. My agenda for today is I think I'm gonna go up here and do a live like I did yesterday. I kind of enjoyed that, and probably spend about an hour on live, and then I think I'm gonna clean around Fireball. I can't make a video, I don't think, because what the one from I started this morning still uploading. It needs to upload for in the morning at 4 o'clock, so it's not done. It has been going all day since I left this morning at 7, so it's not finished. So anyway, like I said, now it is raining and everything, and of course when it rains the internet's worse than usual, so even my phone was acting up today. That I don't know, maybe just be the internet people, I don't know. But anyway, and then Daryl's premiere. Probably right after the premiere, I'll probably just shut it up and head on home. I did get me a pizza, and I'll eat a couple pieces of it, and I don't normally eat a lot, and then I'll take the rest to Justin. But anyway, that's what I got planned today. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy. Make yourself happy, and surround yourself with positive thoughts and positive people. Try to get the negativity away from you, and put your best foot forward. If you're not on your projects, go out there and get on them. And if you got more than one, heck, pick one, whatever's gonna make you happy, and start on it. You can't complete it till you start. 1,000-mile journey starts with the first step. Let's get on it. That's about all I got for the briefing. I'm gonna go up here and, like I say, get on live. So I appreciate y'all watching and listening to my rants and everything. So y'all have a good day, night, whenever you're watching this. And remember, keep it silly. Thank you.
Would this not look good on one of our vehicles? I mean, I just
What size is it?
Well, I would tell you if I could see it.
Hold on, it's right here. 405 2324.
Hey, look at this. I only have one other way to measure that, and I don't have my tape measure with me.
What is a 405?
You need tires. I know a man that's got a bill for tires.
I hope that tire falls.
If you need a tire, you let me know. We got a place.
That's Carnass. Hey, I think those are side-by-side tires.
They're stackable.
No.
Another tire. When I tell you they got tire, looky here, racks and racks of tire.
Hey, we just talked to the owner of Mighty, the people with all the oil filters and all. Super helpful.
More tires.
Tires. Look, we got wheels.
They look good on the new song.
I don't think Nissan got enough power to turn all that.
Alright everybody, it's Wednesday night. Here on Never Done Projects, just a silly little YouTube channel. Got 108 days to Fun Run Cruisers Tell the Dragon Run, 17 days to Fun Run Cruisers Drive-In. Metal Arts putting both of them on the drive-ins in Sydney, Ohio, at the fairgrounds. Today, like I said, is Wednesday, 5/28/25. I did do my live. It was actually a pretty good live. So a couple more people come in, and I think I about doubled the views from yesterday. So I think I'm gonna keep that up. So if y'all want to jump in my live, I think I'm gonna start trying to do it on the afternoons, Monday through Thursday, about 5:45, somewhere around there. About 5:45 every day, Monday through Thursday, and then I'm gonna try to do it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Of course, y'all know I do Sundays morning. Try to do it when I cook. But Randy will be back sometime Friday, so we'll see. But like I said, I do plan on. I think I'm gonna try to start doing that a little bit and see what happens. I did not clean up around Fireball, but I did paint the valve covers again and cleaned up the around, ready for the intake to go on. And I was cleaning it up, and there was a spot that didn't look like me somebody welded on, and it kind of made me nervous. While I was in Daryl's premiere, I thought to myself, you know, Pug's in here, I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to him and see if it's something I can sand on, because it literally looked like somebody had welded on the head. And I thought, it's got to leak. You know, I can't just put a gasket on top of it. So as I went to take the picture of it, I grabbed my little cleaner thing and went to go above. When I did, it was actually part of the gasket. So I felt embarrassed. Thank God I didn't take a picture and send it to Pug, because I'd really look stupid. But I mean, I can tell you, I'm you know, I'm not the smartest thing in the world, but I would have really felt stupid if I'd have done that. But anyway, I did get that cleaned up, and I'm ready to run the silicone and try to do it. Like I was telling y'all the other day, I'm gonna run that silicone and let it set up for about 5 minutes, and then I'm just gonna let the weight of the intake set on it. Maybe just start a thread or two in each hole, and then let it set for about 15-20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna, you know, kind of tighten up and then let it set like that. I might let that set overnight and then torque them to the specs the next morning. I'll have to see. But I did get on the premiere. Daryl told us at the beginning that we were going to hate him by the end of it, but he stopped right before he started painting. I said, no, you did not. But I get it. It's it don't matter. He can show us. Well, he can show me the paint. I would still watch. I'll be back and watch it, and he can go. Like I said, he kind of make jokes about it before. He can go do underwater basket weaving, and I'd watch, try to help him out. And the crowd seems to be getting bigger, and that's good. People coming in and us talking back and forth. That's awesome. I do appreciate it. I hope that someday mine get up like that up in the 50s. But anyway, remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be happy. That is the ultimate goal. Just like I was telling somebody, they come in, I'm about sure they come in to troll the other day on one of my lives, but it's not gonna work. I mean, I want you to be happy. You can holler, shout, and whatever you want, but I mean, if it gets too bad, I'll just hit delete. Like, for instance, on my live today, somebody come in and said something to the effect of, hey, I seen you on Grindr or something. I didn't know what it was, but I read it, and as I clicked on it to see who it was, I said, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Evidently, my daughter-in-law knew, because before I could click on to see exactly who it was that was coming in, because I do like to see who's coming in, see if it's something I've got to watch out for. She already hit delete message. She deleted them, so That's what the mods are for. I'm not here for a bunch of BS and everything, and I want everybody to have a good time. And that's what it's all about. I want you to be happy, and whatever it takes, we'll try to do the best we can to make each other happy, but you gotta worry about yourself. I'm not here to troll you. I'm not here to be trolled. We'll just hoo-la-la and go on about our business. But, like I said, if you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. Make yourself happy. Nobody else is going to. I promise you that. You got a lot more people that's going to try their best to mess up your 1,440 minutes. So put your best foot forward, stay positive, hang around with positive people. Hang around with people that want you to grow. That keeping people around that are always negative. I mean, some people's good people, but if everything is negative, the best thing to do is just try to keep your distance, because it's only going to bring you down too. So stay positive, hang around positive people, and try to put positivity out there, and things will be a lot better. So I do appreciate everybody watching and liking, subscribing, and everything. So I appreciate it. It means a lot. And remember, keep it silly. Thank you.